The music. What is up, guys? Alex here. Here I have the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. In this video, I'll be taking just a regular quick shower with these headphones to see if they survive. I already did this with the AirPods Pro. Link will be in the description. And yeah, I'm just gonna, before I do take a shower, I do want to do a sound test. And then I'm gonna take a shower, and then I'm gonna do another sound test after that to see if the headphones broke or not. But yeah, let's get on into the video. Alright, guys. So, the sound test with the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. I'm going to be doing this sound test before I do take a shower so you guys hear that the headphones are working. And because of copyright reasons, I'm only going to play this song for about 5 seconds, 5 to 6 seconds. But yeah, let's go on into the sound test. First, with the... So this is the right side. Here we go. That was the right side. Now onto the left side, so you guys hear that it's working. Here we go. Alright, so both sides are working, and I'm gonna pause the song, but both sides are working, and now I'm just gonna go on into the water test / shower with these headphones, and then after that I'm gonna do another sound test to see if they sound scuffed or not. But yeah, let's go on into the shower. Okay, so the shower is running, but yeah, I don't want it to fall out. There we go. I just want to get them nice and wet. Pretty much taking a regular shower. Right there. Maybe one more extra second. The music keeps on stopping with these headphones, but yeah. There it is. The music keeps on playing. Now I'm gonna take them out of my ear, and I'm just gonna put them right into the shower for maybe 2 to 3 seconds. And here we go. Just leave them right there. There we go. And yeah, there we go. Now the headphones are fully wet. I'm gonna turn off the shower. And yeah, here we go. The headphones are fully wet. I'm going to dry them off and then do the other sound test. So once I see that the headphones are fully dried, I'm going to do the second sound test to see if they sound scuffed or not. But yeah, let's go on into the second sound test. Alright, guys, so I've already dried the headphones. Now let me show you guys a sound test so to see that they're working. But yeah, here we go with the sound test. This is the right side, and yeah, here we go. Bass. So that was the right side. I don't know if you guys can tell if it sounds scuffed or not, but now let's go on into the left side. Here we go. So this is the left side. But yeah, I don't know if it really sounds scuffed. My dad already did a test on these headphones, and after he did the water test with the shower, the headphones did sound scuffed for a little while. But after like maybe 30 to an hour, they dried off and the headphones got back to their original sound. But after this video is posted, I will leave a comment down below saying if the headphones are broken or fully damaged. But yeah, these headphones, honestly, they kind of survived. Only the right side I saw with a little problems with these headphones, but the left side sounded like it was original, like it wasn't any water caught onto it. But yeah, alright guys, so yeah, you guys heard the sound test. They sounded a little bit scuffed. These headphones are IPX2 water rating, so I would expect them to survive like some of the other headphones, like the AirPods Pro, which survived really well this sound test, or the shower pretty much. But yeah, again, I do not recommend this for any of you guys to do this at home because it's very risky, and I'm honestly just wanted to try this out for the channel. But yeah, I do not recommend you guys doing this at home because your headphones do break, and if the headphones do break in the end, I will leave a comment down below saying that the headphones broke after like 30 minutes or an hour, and if they didn't, then that's good news for me, because if these headphones break, I don't know what I'm gonna do. But yeah, right now let's go on into alright guys, in conclusion, these headphones really sounded they sounded scuffed in the beginning, but my dad already did a test on these headphones, and after like 30 minutes the headphones did get back to their normal state. After like 30 minutes, my dad like just left the headphones out sitting, dry them off, and the headphones did survive. But yeah, this is pretty much for the shower with the Samsung Galaxy Buds. I will be doing a comparison with these headphones and the AirPods Pro in probably another video. But yeah, if you guys really enjoyed this video, leave a comment down below, subscribe, turn on bell notifications, and yeah, see you guys later. Peace out.